Hare Krishna. Once, Srila Prabhupada's godbrother Dr. Kapoor met Srila Prabhupada. Dr. Kapoor was aware that in his earlier Grihasthashram householder life, Srila Prabhupada had been a successful chemist and pharmacist. He owned a shop where he sold medicines and even manufactured his own drugs. On one occasion, Srila Prabhupada gifted Dr. Kapoor a tonic that he had created. Dr. Kapoor, appreciative of the gift, asked Srila Prabhupada a deeper question. Dr. Kapoor said, "This gift of yours is nice and I must accept it. But what I really wish is that you would give me the formula of the tonic you take, the tonic of Krishna Prema, love of Krishna. Would you be willing to share the formula for developing a love of God?" Srila Prabhupada humbly replied, "I don't have the tonic, but I do have the formula." Intrigued, Dr. Kapoor asked, "Oh, excellent. If it is not a secret, please tell me what the formula is." Srila Prabhupada then shared a profound truth that is at the heart of devotional practice. He recited the third verse of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Shikshashtakam. Trinaatapi sunicena tarorapi shagishnuna amanina manadena kirtaniya sadahari. One can chant the holy name of the Lord in a humble state of mind, thinking oneself lower than the straw in the street. One should be more tolerant than a tree, devoid of all senses of false prestige, and ready to offer all respects to others. In such a state of mind, one can chant the holy name of the Lord constantly. This simple and profound formula shared by Srila Prabhupada encapsulates the essence of the path to Krishna Prema. The secret to all spiritual success lies in chanting the holy names of Krishna with humility, tolerance, and respect for others. Srila Prabhupada's unwavering faith in the holy name was evident long before he embarked on his preaching mission to the West. This faith was the foundation of his strength, enabling him to serve his spiritual master and ultimately to spread Krishna consciousness around the world. Srila Prabhupada's deep faith in the power of the holy name is further expressed in a poem he wrote upon arriving at Boston Harbor known as Markandeya Bhagavata Dharma. In one of the verses, he humbly prays to Lord Krishna, "O Lord, I am just like a puppet in your hands. So if you have brought me here to dance, then make me dance. Make me dance, O Lord, make me dance as you like. I have no devotion, nor do I have any knowledge, but I have strong faith in the holy name of Krishna. I have been designated as Bhakti Vedanta, and now, if you like, you can fulfill the real purport of Bhakti Vedanta." Srila Prabhupada's life and teachings remind us that the holy name is the most potent and accessible means to develop love for God. By chanting with humility and sincerity, we can unlock the treasure of Krishna Prema, just as Srila Prabhupada did and taught others to do. The moral of the story is, the key to develop love for God lies in the humility and sincerity with which we chant the holy names of Krishna. Srila Prabhupada's formula for Krishna Prema, drawn from Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's teachings, is a reminder that true spiritual progress comes from chanting with a heart free of pride, full of tolerance, and brimming with respect for others. This simple yet profound practice can transform our lives and connect us deeply with the divine. So, let us all pray together to Krishna. "O Lord Krishna, please grant us the humility and sincerity to chant your holy names as Srila Prabhupada has taught us. Help us to cultivate the qualities of tolerance, humility, and respect for all so that we may develop pure love for you. May we always remember that the power of your holy name can transform our hearts and bring us closer to you. Hare Krishna. Jai Srila Prabhupada. Thank you so much for watching.